South Central Polk County in northwestern Wisconsin until 2:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:02 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hugo, or 20 miles northeast of St. Paul, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Scandia around 2:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Somerset and Osceola around 2:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. New Richmond around 2:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Star Prairie, Amory, and Clear Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Polk, Wisconsin, and Chisago, Minnesota. The current time is